Okay. So good evening, everyone. So now, so please unmute all. Okay. If you have any doubts, then only you mute and then you ask questions. Okay. Okay. So now in this today's class, we start with the third module, pattern matching and regular expression. So I hope you all hearing my voice. Okay. So now this is your third module. So in this third module, actually you have pattern matching and regular expression, and as well as reading and writing files and organizing files and debugging concepts. So first we start with regular expression. So pattern matching with regular expression. So I hope you all heard about this regular pattern matching with regular expression. So I hope you know what is that pattern matching. So can anybody tell what is that pattern matching? So pattern matching. Anybody will know about pattern matching? Okay. So pattern matching is nothing but so first we have to match some pattern. Means for example, so if you want to enter your email ID in any Google Forms or any other online applications, there you get some problems, right? So you have to follow some structure. Means for the so mute, please unmute. Okay, if you have any doubt, then only unmute and then ask. Okay. So pattern matching is nothing but so pattern. We have to follow some pattern. Pattern means structure of data. So that data we are expecting to be matched for some conditions. For some conditions, in the sense, for example, now I told you that email address. So for email address, if you want to give it in a some for some format, okay, you have to type your email ID in some format. It means first you have to enter your username and then a symbol and then domain name. It may be gmail.com or some other institutions. For your CIT Mandia, we have citmandia.in. Okay, like that, that domain name we have to enter. And then for phone numbers, if you want to enter phone numbers, you have to enter only 10 digits. So mobile numbers. For mobile numbers, you have to enter 10 digits. So if you enter nine digits, then you get some error message or notification message. And if you entered more, 10 plus 1 11, if you enter, then also you get some error message. And then for email ID also, so if you just mention your username, then it will show an some error message. So now here we have to create that type of patterns. So if that pattern will match, means what expected data if you want to get, so that expected data if you want to accept, until that you have to not accept the data. If the user will not enter that proper data, so then you have to show an error. So for that we use the concept called pattern matching. And then with regular expression, why they are mentioning here with regular expression, in the sense, so we have to use regular expression, means we write some expression to write a format of data, to create one format data which you want to accept. So for that we are called this one as pattern matching with regular expression. So now we start with the first concept. So before going to start with the first concept, here in your textbook they given one example. So that example will be used to find the phone number format without using regular expression. So first they are trying to explain you that what happens if you not use regular expression. So which are all the things will be happen, and which are all the constraints we are facing if you are not using regular expression. So without using regular expression also you can do pattern matching. Okay. So but why we are using regular expression, in the sense, to reduce the code, and then for executing more for executing more efficiently than your normal pattern matching concept. So now first we see this example. So this example is based on uh, pattern matching without using regular expression. Actually this one is an example to find the phone number. So here you see the one phone number is there. So this phone number format we want to expect from the user. First three digit phone number, digit we have to accept. After that one hyphen. After that three digits. After that again one hyphen, and then remaining four numbers. Total 10 numbers phone number we are accepting, but in the middle after each three digits we are getting one hyphen. So in this format only we have to accept the phone number. So for phone number checking is phone for checking a phone number or checking some other numbers, we already know we have some inbuilt functions. So that inbuilt function here also we are using. So here mainly we are focusing on without using regular expression, we are find out the pattern matching, right? So for that we are using one inbuilt function called is phone number. This is phone number is a method. Okay, so here we are going to create function. So here they are using function called is phone number. This one is used to check whether the string matches this pattern. Okay, string matches this pattern. Pattern means this type of phone number. This is a pattern. This one we called as a pattern. So pattern means this type of data we are expecting from the user. Okay, so to check this number format data, so here we define one function called is phone number, and then this function will return two values, that is boolean values, true or false. If the number what you entered, if the text what you enter it is in the form of this pattern, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So now what you do, so you open your anaconda spider. So there you type your program and then see that what output you will get. So first you see, so what is this program, how that function will we have to write to get this format of the data, means this pattern of the data. So here you see first they define one function called phone number, and then this one will accept one parameter called text. This text will be passed as an argument by the user, okay, while the program is in running state. And then next you see if length, if the length is not equal to 12, so length of text, what the input we are accepting, that parameter, so that length we are first we have to find out, and then we are compare with 12. Why we are comparing with 12? In the sense here we have 12 or 10 digits and then two symbols. The two symbols are what? Hyphen. So that's why here we are checking with 12. Length will be 12. Why? Because this hyphen will also considered as an one element by your length function. Length is an inbuilt function, right? So this inbuilt function. So now we are checking that how many elements are there in this pattern. So here how many elements are there? So here we have 10 digits along with two hyphen symbols, right? So 10 digits with two hyphen symbols. So if it is not equal to 12, means whatever the text you enter, if it is not equal to 12, then we return false. Then we return false. This one is the first condition. First condition we need to check. First condition is what? Whether the user entered a text. It may be character, or it may be a digits, or it may be a symbols. We don't bother about that one. First we are going to check that the length of that character text is 12 or not. Yes, first we are find out. Next thing is what? Next thing is first three first three characters of the text is number or what, that we have to check. See here. So for I in range 0 comma 3, so here we are using the for loop. For I is for initialization variable in range 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3 means it will accept the index from 0 to 3. It will accept the 0 from 0 to 3 means, so 0 1 2, okay, and then 3 in range. We have to, it will accept the elements at the end below, before that end element. Here that index number is 3, so before that end element, end index is 3, before that 2, till 2 it will accept the values. If not, text of I is decimal. So if not, here we are using if not text of I. So if this text of I, it will start searching from 0. So 0, first it will check that first element is decimal. So here this is decimal is an inbuilt function, so it will check that the given number is decimal or not. Yes. So if it is not a decimal, if the first character is not a decimal, then it will return false. Okay, and then like that it will keep on checking till 0 1 2, right? Three elements it will check. If that three elements are, if all the three elements are numbers, this means this decimal means numbers, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So here we are not written a condition for true, so directly it will jumps to a new next line of code. So next what we have to check after 3 digits? So we have hyphen. So that hyphen is there or not, that we have to check. So that hyphen is present in third position, 0, 1, 2, 3, third position. If text of 3, so text, this text we are considered in as an array. Yes, array, or here we can consider that one as what is a list. Okay, array of list means string, right? So this text is considered as a string. Okay, so text of 3 not equal to hyphen, then also you return false. And then for I in range 4 to 7, next for 4 to 7. So here you have to check if not text of I is decimal. So again, first if the first 3 digits, first 3 characters of the text is decimal, then it's okay. And then after that, fourth digit is for the fourth plane, fourth character is hyphen, then it's okay. After that also we need to check again the remaining next 3 characters are decimal or not. So for that we write again, we use a for loop for I in range 4 to 7. If not text of I is decimal, so then return false. If any one character been between this 4 to 7 means 4 to 6, 4, 5, 6 is not a decimal number, again it will return false. And then next, if text of 7 not equal to hyphen, next again we need to check for hyphen. Okay, and then again also it will return false. And then for I in the range 8 to 12, the remaining is what, remaining 4 characters that will in the position of 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's not in the range of it not that 8 to 12 range characters are not a decimal, again it will return false. So when it will return true, after it will satisfy all this condition, that text will satisfy all this condition, then only it will return true. Okay, so how this program will execute? First you have to enter a phone number. Print first you print 4155 is a phone number. When you execute this program, first this statement will be printed, and then print is phone number. Again we are calling the function we are calling the function, right? If you just created function, it will not get executed, we need to call. So that's why here we are calling by passing a parameter. Text is in string format. So 415 after that hyphen 555 hyphen 4242. So this one is in the format of that phone number what we are expecting. Yes, so then what it will return? It will return true. And then next we are passing most is a phone number. So next we are print phone number is phone number. We are calling the function phone number function by passing Moshi. So if you pass Moshi as a text, so then it will return false. Why that return false? So why is that return false? So here the in the first condition itself, so it will have, see how many characters are there here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only 10 characters are there. First condition itself, it will not get satisfied. Then it will return false. So next we see the output. I hope you all understand this program. So this program we return without using regular expression. See here. So when you execute this program, try to execute this type of programs in your interactive shell. So means in your Anaconda Spider software. Okay. So when you execute this program, so first it will get printed this statement, and then it will return true. First that this one is a this actually this format of phone number we are expecting. So then it will return true, right? So and then next if you enter Moshi, then what happen? So then it will return false. That's a thing what I explained. They are explained here in the below sentence. Okay, so below statement they explain the same thing. Okay, so this one is the actual code we are used. We are used for pattern matching, but it will not contain regular expression directly. So till now, what are all the basics you learned? By using that basic concept, we used to find the pattern, but we are not using exact regular expression. So here, how many lines of code we written? We written almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 lines of code we written, but in regular expression these 15 lines of code it will be replaced by using uh, 2 to 3 lines of code. Okay, by using only 2 to 3 lines of code it will replace if you are using regular expressions. Okay, so next we see the concepts. So see, so next we have um, another one simple example. That simple example, here they taken one string, that one they assign to a message variable. Okay, string variable, call me at 41555 that phone number tomorrow. 415 is my office number. Okay, so for here we are going to check that phone number is found or not. Phone number is found or not. So for that, so this one you can also for this type of statements you can also find out the phone number. Now in previous program we written that program in that program we are written a code to find out, or we created a function, we written a function to find the phone number format. So now we have a sentence. In this sentence we are going to find out that phone number is present in that string or not. So for that you can write a simple code. So by using for loop for I in range of length of message, first we have to find out the length of message. And then here you see, so inside this for loop it will start checking from each 6 12 12 12 characters. So first 12 characters it will check first, after that next it will go to next 12 characters, like this for loop is keep on executing until this condition will be failed. So chunk is equal to message of, here you see, here we are using the string concept. That string concept is your substring concept. Substring concept, you can mention the starting point, and then by using colon, after that you can mention the end string, end substring. We were in that string that index numbers we are mentioned, and then get the substring concept. So first they took I for purpose of example, 0 is the I index value, and then I plus 12, I plus 12, I plus 12 means 0 plus 12, 12th position. 12th position means 0 to 11, right? 12 characters. So index number starts with 0. So each 12 characters, one after the other. First, it will check from CALL till 12 digits where it will come. After that, if it is not it will return true or return false, then it will check next character. It will move to the next character A. So A, like this 12 12 12 characters, it will keep on checking. That's why we assigned that message this value to the chunk. So next we are checking that if condition, if is phone number of chunk. First it will accept. First we need to accept the data, right? For text, here the length of the message is very big, right? Compared to the other previous example, we took only the 10 digit 10 characters 10 character text, but here almost it will be around 20 to 30 characters are there in this string. Okay, so here you see, first we are accepting only 12 12 12 12 characters one after the other. First for first iteration first 12 characters, and then for second iteration will you first character and then move to the next character. So like this we are passing that chunk values to the iPhone number function. By using that we are calling that function. So it will keep on checking if the phone number is found, phone number found. So when this condition will be true, when this is phone number method will return true, then this print condition will get executed, and then it will print phone number found. It will print phone number found plus chunk means, so what phone number, first it will check from C, and then this 12 characters, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So this 12 characters it will check. So for this, but first condition will be true, but the last condition will be for next condition, for 3 characters it will return false. Okay, so next it will keep on checking. When it will come to this phone number, so it will print phone number found. Okay, and then it will print done after checking all entire string message. So it will, how many times actually it will return that phone number will found? 2 times. So first it will print, first this condition will be satisfied, after that again it will keep on checking the entire string. So here 2 times that phone number will found will be printed. Here you can see the output. Okay, so in this way also you can use that functions. So actually we created functions for what purpose? So we created functions for reusable purpose. Yes, so we created function for reusable purpose. So the in this way also you can use that created functions. So next we see how to write a, how to find a patterns of text with regular expression. So now we are using, by using regular expression, how to find that pattern of the text. So in previous example, what basics we learned, by using that only, without using regular expression we find a pattern of that phone number. But now by using regular expression, so if you want to use regular expression, so you have to know the basics of that regular expression.
ಸರ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
Okay, now you can hear.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Okay. I repeat it again. Okay, so in regular expression for representing data, for representing or to match the particular digits, so we use some of the character entities. So character entities just like your C program. So in C program we use slash n and slash t, right? Slash n for jumping to the new line and slash t for providing tab space. Okay, so like that in regular expression mainly we use some of the character entities to represent particular format of data. So here you see we are using slash d. So this slash d we are using to represent or to check the matched digits. If the given number is given character what you are entered is digit or not, for checking that one, just like is decimal you used in your C program. Sorry, now in Python we already now we used, right, in previous program slash sorry is decimal function, that one is used to find that given text is or given character is decimal or not. Like that, to match that particular text is yeah, digits or not, for that we use slash small d. Okay, so this will find out that given the character is digit or not. So this will check that given character is between 0 to 9. Is it 0 to 9 digits or not? Okay, and then we use slash small d. This small d which will work reverse to this capital small d. This capital D is reverse to the small d, which will not matches the non-digits. It matches the non-digits. It matches the non-digits. Okay, non-digit means here small d represents the digits, matches the digits from 0 to 9. Okay, and then capital D will matches the non-digits, means this one will return true, this one will return false, small d. Okay, it will work reverse to this or cap small d. And then slash w, it matches the word characters. So words characters a b c d whatever the word you enter, so that one will be matches by your slash w. Small means lowercase w. The uppercase w will work reverse to your uh, lowercase w. So matches non-word characters. Non-word characters means if you enter digits, that will be it will be matched. But and then here capital D matches, if you enter character, then it will be matches. Okay, and then next we have s, small s, lowercase s matches the white space. White space equivalent to slash t slash n slash r and slash f. Okay, this one will be matches by that white spaces, and then slash t slash n will be matches by your lowercase s, and then slash uppercase h matches the non-white spaces. Non-white spaces will be matched by your uppercase s, and then a matches the beginning of the string. Capital A matches the beginning of the string, and then capital Z matches the end of the string. Okay, so in this mainly we use these six the character entities. These are very important to you. Okay, so when I explain that next program, my next program that is related to your what pattern matching with regular expression. So there we are using these four main character entities. So next 10 minutes remaining. Okay, so after 10 minutes we finished today's session. So and then I scheduled another meeting for next tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Okay, so next 10 minutes I explain this program, finding pattern matching by with regular expression. So see this example. So now we write the same program. So we are going to find out the phone number, but here we are using what? Here we are using the character entities. So see here. So if you want to use regular expression, for that we have to create one, or if you want to create any regular expression object, so for that you have to import one module called RE. RE represents regular expression module. Okay, first you have to import the regular expression module, means you have to include this. Import is a module, right? Just like your Java package and then C include files. So here in Python we are using import. By using import we attach modules, that is RE. So first for regular expression you attach RE, and then your pattern you have to write it within a compile. We have to write it within a compile method. You have to write it within a compile method. So here we use a method called compile. So by using this compile method, so first you have to import a regular expression, and then by using this compile method, you have to enter your regular expression. You have to enter your regular expression. So that represents the phone number. See here, see. So first they defined one variable. This one is a simple example. Phone number, regular expression. So now RE is what your module RE dot compile. This compile is a method that present in your regular expression module. That's why first you specify the RE class, that module class dot compile. So and then R. What is this R indicate? Raw string. So it will remove the slashes. So black slashes that will be removed. That I explained in second module, right? Raw string. So and then now you enter the pattern. So what you are going to search? So in your phone number pattern. So in your phone number, first one is what? Digit. First we have to check that that one is digit. For digit representation, which character entity we use? Slash D. So that one will accept the that one will matches the digits from 0 to 9. That's why slash D, slash D, slash D. First we are checking three numbers, right, for your phone number. So here you see in this example for phone number. So first three digits are there, right? So three digits are there. Okay. And then next hyphen is there. And then again three digits. And then hyphen. And then again four digits. See. So for that, how you write a regular expression? So that regular expression you have to write it within a compile method. So you have to import RE regular expression module. So first three digits and then you put hyphen. Okay. And then again three digits and then hyphen again four digits. For digits checking, we are using slash D. Okay, so now this one we assign to one variable called phone number receipt. So this one will be assigned to this one. So next we are going to check by using by entering that values to this variable, and then we are going to check. So for the checking that matching that regular expression object, we use a method called search. So first we are creating a pattern. So this one is your pattern, our pattern. We are going to check. So that pattern we are assigned to one variable. Next we are going to check that pattern is present. So this pattern matching will work same as your control F find. So in your word and then PDF you use control F, right, to find some particular word is present or not. So same way this one is also work. So that's why here we have to use search. Okay, search method. Inside this search method you have to pass your string. So in that string, that phone number pattern is present or not, that we are going to check. So phone number rejects. So first what you have to do, you have to import the module RE. So by using compile method inside that RE, you entered your pattern. So that R indicates raw string here to remove the white slashes. Okay. So now phone number mo is equal to, this one is also another variable. For that we are assigning phone number is X, this variable. This variable is nothing but what? This pattern dot search. This pattern is present. This search method is used to search. This pattern is present inside this or not. My number is phone number, something phone number. So next we are find print. Next statement is print statement. Phone number found. We have to here in this search we are passing that string. Inside that string, that phone number is present or not. That phone number is what? This pattern. For searching that phone number, we created pattern. So that's why we attach this variable to the search method, and then we are going to search. So this search method inside this string, what are all the characters or data are there, that will be searched by your phone number regex. So and then next mo dot group. So here that phone number, if it is present, then that phone number will be assigned to mo. Okay, this phone number is this format data is present, then it will be assigned to mo. Otherwise, no data will be assigned. So if the phone number is present, then phone number found, it will be print, and then phone number is will be assigned. So and then we use group here. mo dot groups are why we are using group here. So this group is a method. So that group method will print, okay, will collect the data of your pattern. So what pattern you are going to search, that pattern data, so it will be collected. So if you not passed any arguments to this method, so then it will print entire pattern what you are going to search. But the problem is, so here this for here we written code only for this pattern of data, means so only 415 hyphen 555 hyphen 4242. So actually, in our country, we are not type our phone number like this, right? So we are write it in different countries. They are accepting that phone numbers in different format, in different format. So for that, this code will not get executed. This code will be valid only for that which countries are using only this pattern of accepting data. Okay. So for that, what we have to do? So for that also, we have now that problem will come, that these are all the some of the constraints will come. For that, they introduce another one concept called grouping of that data. So that concept we discussed in next class. Okay, I hope you all understand that what is that pattern matching. I think if you understand what is that pattern matching, and then what is that regular expression, that is more than enough. Okay, when we go to next classes, there you can understand so how to write a regular expression, and as well as how to use regular expression and how to write pattern matching. So I hope you all understand the today's session. So if you get any doubts, now you unmute and then ask questions. So I end today's session. So if you get any doubts, now you can ask.